Pebbles Kids Learning.
Make words from the given alphabets. As you can see, there are some alphabets on the board. We have to make 5 words from these alphabets. We have U, F, A, E, B, L, T. Now let's make words from these alphabets. Let's see. We can make F, A, T. F-A-T, fat. Let's write F, A, T. And now which other word we can make? We can make E, A, T. E-A-T, eat. E, A, T, eat. And now let's make one more word. Okay, what can we make? Oh, I got it. We can make B, A, T. B-A-T, right, bat. And now, which word? Okay, I got one more. T-E-A. T-E-A, T. T-E-A. Now, I have to make one more word. Can you tell me? Come on, think fast. Okay, I got one. T-U-B. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Now we have P, G, S, T, H, E, A. And now let's make 5 words from these alphabets. Let's start. Okay, which word I can make? Oh, I got it. I can make H, A, T, hat. H, A, T, hat. And now which other word? I got one more word. S, A, T, sat. S, A, T, sat. And now who's going to tell me? Come on, think fast. Right. Now we can make H, A, S. Has. H, A, S. Has. And now which word? Okay, I got it. We can make G, E, T. Get. G, E, T. Get. And now one more word. Who's going to tell me? Come on, think fast. Right, we got it. T, H, E. The. T, H, E. The. Now we have C, E, A, O, D, R, I, L. Let's make 5 words from these alphabets. Let's see which word I can make. I can make O-I-L. O-I-L. Oil. O-I-L. Oil. Which other word can we make? Come on, who's going to tell me? Right, we can make O-L-D. O-L-D, old. O-L-D, old. And now another word. Can anyone help me? Come on, tell me fast. Right, we can make R-E-D. R-E-D, red. R-E-D, red. Now, one more word. Which other word? Come on, think fast. Oh, I got it. We can make A-I-R. A-I-R, air. A-I-R, air. And now, one more word. Let's find out. I got it. D-E-A-R. D-E-A-R. Deer. D-E-A-R. Deer. Make many words from one word. Now we have to make 5 words from this given word mango. Let's start. We can make A-N. An. G-O. Go. N-O. No. M-A-N. Man. O-N. On. Now we have S-E-P-T-E-M-B-E-R. September. Now let's make 5 words from September. Let's start. Which word can I make? Oh, let me think. Okay, I got one. P-E-T. P-T. Pet. P-E-T. Pet. Now which other word can I make? Can anyone tell me? Come on, think fast. Right. We can make B. B-E-E. B-E-E. B. Now let's try and make one more word. Okay, let's think. Come on, tell me fast. Can anyone think? I got it. B-E-S-T. B-E-S-T. Best. B-E-S-T. Best. Now let's make one more word. Can anyone tell me? Come on, think fast. Let me think. I got it. M-E-E-T. M-E-E-T. Meat. Let's write M-E-E-T. Meat. And now one more word. Come on, who's going to tell me? Think fast. Right. Now we are going to write tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Living and non-living things. Car. Can a car breathe? Or does a car grow? No. So, let's write N. Car is a non-living thing. Now we have dog. Does a dog grow? Can a dog breathe? Yes. A dog grows and he breathes. So, dog is a living thing. So, let's write L. And now we have lion. So, who's going to tell me? Come on. Can a lion breathe? Right. So, lion is a living thing. Let's write L. Now we have table. Can a table grow? Come on, tell me fast. Excellent. So, table is a non-living thing. So, let's write N. Now we have chair. Who will tell me? Right. Chair is a non-living thing. So, let's write N. And now we have cat. Can a cat breathe? Right. A cat is a living thing. So, let's write L. And now we have computer. Can a computer breathe? No. So, computer is a non-living thing. And now we have a ball. Can a ball breathe? No. So, let's write N. Then we have phone. Have you ever seen a phone breathing? No. So, what are we going to write? N. And now we have sunflower. Can a sunflower breathe? Does it grow? Right. Sunflower is a living thing. So, let's write L. Eagle. Can an eagle breathe? Right. So, eagle is a living thing. So, let's write L. Now we have pencil. Can a pencil move? Or does it grow? No. So, let's write N. And now we have tiger. Can a tiger breathe? Right. Tiger breathes and it grows. So, tiger is a living thing. And now we have camera. Can a camera breathe? No. So, let's write N. Look at the picture and tell the spelling. Now, look at this picture. What is it? Bat. Right. So, what is the spelling of bat? B-T. Come on, tell me fast. Right. B-A-T. B-A-T. Bat. Look at this picture and tell me the spelling. What is it? Right. It's a dog. So, how do we write dog? D dash dash. Who's going to tell me? Come on. Excellent. D O G. D-O-G, dog. Look at the picture and tell me the spelling. What is it? Come on, guess which animal? Right, it's a deer. So, who's going to tell me the spelling? Come on, tell me fast. Excellent. D E E R. D E E R. Deer. See the picture and tell me the spelling. Come on, who's going to tell me? It's very simple. Which fruit? Right, an apple. So tell me the spelling. A, right. P, P, L, E. A, P, P, L, E. Apple. Look at the picture and tell me the spelling. Come on, it's very simple. Who's going to tell me? Tell me fast. Right, it's a chair. C H A I R. C H A I R. Chair.
Pebbles Kids Learning.